Your employees need to transition between working from home, the office, or anywhere in between without missing a beat. At Blue Mantis, we streamline the complex array of devices, connectivity, security, and applications into a seamless orbit around end users, removing the barriers to their most valuable assets, ideas. Blue Mantis Modern Workspace solutions make your employees more productive while providing real-time oversight for all your IT assets. Boost efficiency and security with AI-ready hardware that is configured with Zero Trust security and delivered ready to go right out of the box from our Technology Innovation Center, ensuring your IT assets are deployed in alignment with compliance needs, on time and within budget. Let Blue Mantis handle all of that so you can focus less on maintaining IT and more on growing your business. Let's meet the future modern workspace.